Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and I will give in a brief presentation of my capstone. I apologize in advance for my pronunciation and any possible errors, so as I'm still improving my English. This project is based on the weather in Canada across the several communities. This is the short presentation and at the end I will show you the code in execution or running. So we're gonna start. For the introduction, the objective is to apply what I have learned in this course to this project, focusing on some key points such as the visualization and the tools I used. In the dataset overview, the dataset was sourced from Kaggle, and here is I'm showing the header of the table. We can see here, it's like the header, and all the source is from here, Kaggle. The URL is here in the presentation. For the tools and libraries, I use the tools we've covered, including Pandas, NumPy, and Boca, among others which we will see later. For the data loading and preview, I will show you some parts of the coding, of the code, sorry, with their output, explaining each step. We load our data and display it to ensure that everything's is working correctly. What is um, for the data cleaning and preparation, in this section we run a function to extract and clean the data, organizing it better for the next step. We extract also the temperature average along with their corresponding output. So this is the first part of the function, and this is the code and the response for the average. For the exploration analysis, for this part, we present a cleaner and more organized analysis, which allow us to generate the diagram or visualization as shown in the image. I separate this section from the previous one for better organization for me. I thought they could be done together, so we can work together or separate. Here we show that contributes the data visualization portion, applying stacked bar charts, a grid layout, dashboards, advanced visualization, widget, interactive map, etc. This is example, and now we move to see the code in Google Colab. Here, so this is the same information of the presentation, is the topic and the URL of Kaggle, etc. So first, I will now run some parts of the code to demonstrate that it works without errors. So this is the first part. Important, we need to check if the file or our dataset is here. So this is the libraries. This is we call the libraries here to check if it's working good. The function, the average, and here we have all the parts for the analysis and exploration data in a small diagram. And this one is the section 2 I separate when we're talking about the stacked bar chart, grid layout, dashboard, advanced visualization, etc. So this is the code can run. You see, oh, I need to run something. Let me check. Maybe one of these parts is missing. Okay, sorry about that. So I just run the code again, and we can see the code is running good. So I think that's all my presentation. If you have any question or comments and or feedback, I'm willing to listen to it. Thanks for the attention and for the patience.